If you work in pharma marketing or at a healthcare agency, you need to know about Franken-pills because this trend is about to blow up every digital health partnership strategy you've built over the past 3 years. Telehealth companies have been the darling of pharma partnerships, right? Hims, Ro, Nurx. They started by making it easier to get prescriptions for things like ED meds, birth control, hair loss treatments. Simple, direct to consumer, everyone's happy. But then they discovered something. Why just sell one medication when you can create custom combinations? Mix Ozempic with vitamin B12 for enhanced weight loss. Combine hair loss medications with biotin supplements. Create bespoke cocktails tailored to individual patients. Sounds innovative, right? Well, patients started calling them Franken-pills, and that nickname is sticking for a reason. Here's where it gets messy. A patient named Alex Malam tried one of these compounded hair loss cocktails and ended up experiencing serious side effects that landed him in the emergency room. His case is now part of a broader conversation about whether these mixed medications are actually safe. But the real explosion happened when traditional pharmaceutical companies started paying attention to what these telehealth platforms were doing. Turns out, when you remix branded formulations into custom compounds, the original pharma companies see that as IP theft. We're now seeing lawsuits flying left and right, with big pharma companies claiming these telehealth platforms are creating illegal knockoffs and engaging in deceptive marketing practices. The regulatory landscape is a complete Wild West. The FDA has oversight over compounding pharmacies, but the rules around how telehealth companies can market and distribute these custom combinations are murky at best. So why should you care as a pharma marketer or agency professional? First, brand protection is about to become your biggest headache. When anyone can take your client's active ingredients and remix them into custom formulations, how do you control your brand message? How do you ensure quality standards? How do you manage patient safety communications when you're not actually manufacturing the product patients are taking? Second, every telehealth partnership you've been pitching needs immediate due diligence. If companies like Novo Nordisk, who actually know this space, are getting blindsided by their partners' compounding activities, what does that say about your clients' partnerships? Third, patient experience strategy just got infinitely more complicated. Your CX teams built journeys assuming patients would be taking standardized, FDA-approved formulations. But now, patients might be taking custom cocktails with unpredictable interactions and side effects. Fourth, this is creating entirely new categories of competitive threats. Your client's brand isn't just competing against other branded drugs anymore. It's competing against custom mixed alternatives that patients perceive as more personalized and innovative. Here's what you need to do. Audit every digital health partnership immediately. Map out the compounding activities of your telehealth partners. Build new brand safety protocols for when your IP gets remixed. And start developing messaging strategies that differentiate FDA-approved formulations from compounded alternatives. This isn't just a legal issue, it's a brand strategy crisis that most agencies aren't prepared for. If this kind of insider pharma intel is valuable for your career, hit that subscribe button. And drop a comment if you've seen this trend affecting your clients. We want to hear your war stories.